play Dodger?
What are you eating right there? What is that?
Baby food.
Take a bite. Is it good? What are you eating, E? Oh, whose is that? What are you going to do with it? You're going to feed him?
Yeah.
Wait, not yet.
A bit, Mama.
Can you tell Daddy hi?
Hi, Daddy.
Say I love you, Daddy.
Baby, Daddy.
Say I'll see you tonight. Where's your pillow pet? Call him. Call him. Can you call your pillow pet in here? What is that, E? Who is that for? Dodger?
Yeah.
Okay.